You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, stay tuned. I've got more videos, including from phonetics, from Hungarian. It's pronounced locally in Hungarian something along the lines of Péter Magyar. It's definitely more of a j sound, not Magyar, Magyar. Péter Magyar. In English you can say it as Peter or Peter, I guess you could say. Magyar, Magyar, not Magyar, Magyar. Peter or Peter Magyar. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.